8 Basic Principles of Graphic Design Layout. Introduction. Graphic design is a branch of science from the art of design to create visual elements in a medium. The science of graphic design includes visual arts, typography, layout, and interaction design. Content of Basic Principles of Graphic Design Layout: proportion, balance, contrast, rhythm, unity, harmony, emphasis, layout, proportion, efforts to regulate the size between one part and another. Big, small, wide, narrow, long, short, or low height is a matter of proportion. In fine arts, this principle of proportion is used to consider the ratio of the area of a paper or canvas of the object being drawn or painted. Balance. Balance is a condition of a design or object that makes all forces work and do not cancel each other out. There are 2 basic principles of a balance. Symmetrical balance is balance that occurs perpendicularly. The balance this time is like using 2 elements that are similar to using a mirror. Asymmetrical balance is a balance that looks the same but in different weight settings or weights. Contrast. The purpose of the contrast principle is to avoid design elements on a page that look similar. If the elements, type of text, color, size, text thickness, spacing, etc., are not desired, then make the design elements different from each other. Sometimes, in a page, contrast is the visualization that attracts the most attention. Contrast is the initial cause of the reader reading the page. Rhythm. Rhythm is a pattern created by elements repeatedly and varied. Repetition, repeating similar elements consistently, and variation, changes in shape, size, position, or elements, are keys to visual rhythm. Placing elements in a layout on a regular basis will create a soft, calm and relaxing feel. Sudden changes in the size and spacing of elements will imply a fast feel, lively rhythm and interesting atmosphere. Unity. Unity is one of the principles that emphasizes the harmony of the elements that are arranged. A design can be said to be unified if the whole looks harmonious. This principle is used to unify layout elements such as typography, illustrations, colors, etc. With this unity, the elements in it will support and complement each other so that the focus is obtained according to the desired goal. Harmony. Harmony or alignment is the suitability of one part with another in a design. Aspects in harmony can be in the form of harmony in line and shape or harmony in texture and color. The principle of harmony has a function as a factor that ensures that a design does not seem too crowded. If contrast gives a strong and active impression so that it attracts attention, harmony will actually show a passive impression. Emphasis. The design needs to have the principle of emphasis, which means something that becomes the focus or gets attention first. In this section of emphasis, layout is an important requirement to attract people's eyes. Layout. The layout in the design can basically be divided into several parts. It can be 4 parts, 3 parts, and 2 parts depending on the design needs. This layout is still basic. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when I upload the new video.